Hi students, so today I'm going to talk about the topic decimals. We have already done in the last class, and so I'm just going to talk about something which is very interesting and also very confusing. So if I give you some numbers, for example, if I give you the numbers like 2, 8, 5, 11, 80, 40, and ask you to put it in the ascending order, right? Then it becomes very easy. I'll put 2 first, 5, then 8, 11, 40, and the last will be 80. This is so easy. But if I ask you to put these numbers in the ascending 0 0.2, 0 0.20, 0 0.200, 0 0.02, and 0 0.002. If I want you to put these number in the ascending order, which means the smallest number first, the biggest number last, then it becomes very tricky. So how should we do this? So decimals, right, are first converted into their fraction. All decimals can be converted into fraction. All fractions can be converted into decimals. So now if I convert this number into fraction, this will become 2 upon 10. This is very easy. If I have to convert this number into fraction, then this will become 20 upon 100. If I have to convert this number into fraction, then this will become 200 upon 1000. If I have to convert this number into fraction, then this will become 2 upon 100. If I have to convert this number as fraction, then this will become 2 upon 1000. Let me explain how. Let's take the number 0.2. How do we convert into a fraction? We multiply 10 in the numerator, 10 in the denominator. Numerator becomes 2, denominator remains 10. This is how we get 2 upon 10. The next one, 0.20. If I have to remove decimal, I'll have to multiply 100 in the numerator, 100 in the denominator. The numerator becomes 20. This we did in the last class, and the numerator becomes 100. If I have to convert 0.200 into fraction, then if I have to remove decimal, I'll multiply by 1000 in the numerator and divide by 1000 in the denominator. And what will be the answer? It will be 200 upon 1000. Now, we also studied in the last class, class 5, that all these can be simplified, right? Simplification means that can this be solved further? No, this is in the simplest form. Can this be simplified? Yes, it can be simplified. I can cancel 0 in the numerator. I can cancel 0 in the denominator. So this is 2 by 10. This also is 2 by 10. Let's see here. I can cancel 2 zeros in the numerator, 2 zeros in the denominator. This also becomes 2 upon 10. Let's see this. This is already in the lowest form. So I'll have to put 2 upon 100 as it is. Let's see this one. This is also in the lowest form. Can I reduce it further? I cannot. So I'll have to put it as it is. Now let's see which is smaller, which is bigger. These all three numbers are same. All three numbers are equal. 2 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 2 upon 10, which means their decimals 0 0.2, 0 0.20, 0 0.200 are also same. Though 0.200 was looking much bigger than 0.20 and 0.20 was looking much bigger than 0.2, but in actual they are same. And how can we find it? We can find it by converting them into simple fraction. How do we do the fraction? This is how we do the fraction, right? We have already done in class 5, right? So we can just revise and find out how to put the decimal into a fraction number. Now let's come to the last step. All three are same. Now 2 upon 100. 2 upon 100, is it a bigger number than 2 by 10 or a smaller number than 2 by 10? 2 upon 100 will be a smaller number because the number 2 is being divided by a bigger number. So this will result into a smaller number. And 2 upon 1000 will be a much smaller number, even smaller than 2 upon 100, because the numerator is same and we are dividing with a much bigger number. So and so forth. If we have to write 0.0002, this will be 2 upon 10,000. Now we can arrange them in the ascending order. Which is the smallest one? This is the smallest one. So let's start 0.0002 followed by 0.002 followed by 0.02, and then we will have the number all same. 0.200 equal to 0.20 equal to 0.2. This is all what I wanted to tell you, that how do we understand which decimal is bigger and which decimal is smaller. Generally, the confusion is here, but if we can convert it into a fraction, then we can easily find out which number is bigger, smaller, or equal. I hope you could understand what I'm trying to say. See you in the next video.